Hi all, I just got a package from Sweet Pops by Shania, which is cake pops and cake sickles. And I've got a holiday version for a party I have coming up, and I just want to show you what I got. I'm excited to see it. I haven't seen it either. I'm going to open this up. Looks like we've got insulated packing. That will keep it fresh. I like that. And lots of packing material. That's also great. Some packing material out. More packing material out. Oh, here's our first one right here. First package. Merry Christmas, it says. Also has packing material in it to keep the goods fresh and not able to move around, I'm suspecting, so they'll look as great as they did when they were shipped. Here's my second box. Oh, it says a little thank you sticker. Second box. Sneak peek inside that box. More packing material. We'll look at that in a minute. An ice pack, also good for keeping it fresh. Oh, and there's one more in here. One more. Also lots of packing material. Some thank you stickers. I'm going to get rid of this big box so we can concentrate on what's in these boxes. This one's not got the twine, so we're going to open it first. Got the little card here. And this says thank you from Sweet Pops on the other side. It says Sweet Pops. Can you see that? Sweet Pops by Shania Nordstrom. And there's a QR code there. You can scan it and get to the site with all the selection of goods. And then we've got more packing material. Oh, these are wonderful. Look at these. So we've got each individual one is wrapped individually, and they are, I ordered vanilla and chocolate, and they're labeled vanilla. We've got a tree. We've got little Santa hats. Oh, these are adorable. Shania did great. We've got some decorative cake pops. I love these. And then this one is a stocking. How cute are those? Very high quality. They look so professional. Love it. Let's see what's in our other box. We've got some twine to unwrap here. That helps keep it secure. Let's see, more packing material, of course. Keeping everything in shape so it doesn't move around. Oh, these are the sickles, the cake sickles. Also done, beautifully done. Labeled vanilla. Beautiful. Oh, look at that with the snowflake. It is beautiful. Each one individually wrapped, so you could give these as gifts. I'm going to use them at a party I'm having, but you could give these as gifts individually or a whole box. Oh my gosh, there's just so many here. These are chocolate, and I love this one. Look at this one. I guess I like it because it's so colorful, and I love the gold sticks. More packing material, keeping it safe. This one has a little, oh, look at these are similar but different. Again, this is my unboxing of Sweet Pops, S-W-E-E-T, Pops, P-O-P-S, by Shania. And Shania is spelled S-H-A-N-I-A. Sweet Pops by Shania. Shania is my niece by marriage, and she's starting her own endeavor with these, and I'm happy I got a chance to support her, and she gets to support my party. And if any of you want to or need something like this, I'm sure you can order from her, and she shipped them to me, and I got them in one night, so that was great. I've got this last box here. I'm gluten-free, so I did order some gluten-free versions of the same thing. So I would have that option for other guests at my party that might be gluten sensitive or have an allergy. So let's see what we've got in here. All packed with lots of packing material so they don't jostle around. So when they were shipped, they came looking as great as they did when she packaged them. Oh, these are beautiful. And here's my gluten-friendly ones. Gluten-free. I've got some orange and some green. These are great. Thanks for watching. Again, these are Sweet Pops by Shania. And there's a QR code if you want to go and order for yourself and support my niece. Thank you so much for watching.